Tamenglong District Leriba Eclavia Model Residential School EMRSK Infrastructure Fagana Lupa Crore Kunumdoi Sanction Tounaba NESTS na plan Toure haina NESTS ki Commissioner JS Ajit Kumar Srivastava na Fongdokre ngasi Tamenglong Headquarters Manaki Farmland Leriba Eclavia Model Residential School EMRS na sahi taramapung parakgi thorom ngasi school asida pangthoki thorom maduda National Education Society for Tribal Students NESTS ki Commissioner JS Ajit Kumar Srivastava, Tribal Affairs and Health ki Joint Secretary S. Ritung Anal DC Tamenglong Dr. L. Angsim Dangsawa na maruoiba miyoising oina sarug yaki. Thorom maduga mari lenana Ajit Kumar Srivastava na makhatana haikibada Manipurda mahak lakpa yamna pami India ki school da official oina satpa khongset asi handaki asina ahanbani miyoibagi punsida Asamba Levin Late, Punsida Awabakia Tengerba, Matamda Mai Pakungalokani, Kudong Saba Singna Talaba, Mahiroi Sing Mai Pak Wagande, Adubo Pibam Lurabakia Mayonaduna, Masida Taudabayade, Haina, Singna Duna Lako Mahiroi Sing Mai Pakali, Matang Saida Foundation de Dagi, Toromasi, New Delhi, Tamilongi EMRS ki Mahiroi Sing Soidana, Pangtokani Haina Tazu Piki, Lunina EMRS District Level Management Committee Gina Chairman, Dr. Angsim Dangsawa Vasu, Ningtina Monitoring Tobagi Tagat Fongdoki. Tamenglong District ki DCM di EMRS District Level Management Committee gina Chairman Dr. Angsim Dangsawa na haikibada Ministry of Tribal Affairs and na EMRS Tamenglong gi oina thakrage mamangda Lupa Crore kunumdoi sanction Tounaba ayaba pirakhrabani state asidadi proposal kya thaki adubu Tamenglong gi proposal asi approval phanglakibani hariba project asida phamung sani legadaba voice amadi girls hostel sanaba yauri dining hall anoba classroom tara science laboratory equipment yauna computer laboratory yauna EMRS ki Lambi Semba Yauri Hanusu Fongdoki. Horamaduda EMRS Tamilongi Mahiroi Singna Isai Zagoi Natyoiba Visit Culture Madi Dancing Hypok Jadonang Perena Singbakya Utki.
I believe that children who have come from the tough situations, they have all that is required inside them. They know how to achieve success. They have done the hard work. They are not ruffled with the tough conditions because they have seen everything in life, and that is when they have desired to succeed. I must say that I congratulate EMRS Tamenglong for the decennial celebration. You have put up a good show, and I now trust why this EMRS is rated so high, not only in Tamenglong but in Manipur. And I have made one decision while sitting there. Next year, 1st April, EMRS Tamenglong children are performing in Delhi.